Loosen these bolts. Yeah. Bottom one. Bottom, this goes top.
I mean, does it matter which one goes in which?
If they're the same size and same everything, then it don't matter.
So there's not that.
But sometimes there are different ones. Let's see how this one is. For this, you never want to bend this.
Oh, the cable, right?
The cable. Brake lines.
Yeah.
Like that. Same thing. I won't forget this time. Clips. Screw this out. It's alright. You can see the back one. So it's still good because it hasn't touched this one.
Yeah, it hasn't touched the little fierro yet.
The one that indicates to you that
That's almost
it's
done.
worn, yeah. Take the clips out.
Oh, yeah.
Brake cleaner. Put this back. This. So as long as this doesn't touch the disc, yeah. Wrong way. And then just this. There will break down. It's here.
Push that back in.
This always goes in the back. Like this. Not forget
Clips.
clips. This one goes in the bottom like this. Find a little hole.
Okay, that goes there.
Sometimes you might have to push these in, and there you go. Tighten this up. That's good. That's good. That's good. Alright, so take this bolt out here. Go up. Loosen it up.
So it's top and bottom. It's just holding the calipers, right?
Yep. I put them. This is the bottom, so I'll put the top one right here.
You can record for 8 hours too.
No, that's the data.
Oh, that's the sin.
The sin.
Little.
And then you just take it out, and then you can just hold it right here. Never hang this. And then right here, just clips. And just do this. This way you need to keep.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Look at that. That's already falling off already. Why not record this part right here? Look at that.
Oh, man.
That's where it was touching the metal.
Yeah.
And making the noise. Take the other one. This one's
Bad too.
barely. Almost touched the metal. And then you take the clips out. Clean this. And then clean these up. Let me see if these are good. This one's good. This one's not very good. So, what I'm gonna do is, you just pull this back. It's a rotor thingy. Take this out.
What is it?
This is a slider pin. So it was hard to slide, so I'm gonna put grease in it. Put this here. Just put it back in. Now you see it sliding.
Yeah.
There you go. It's good. Put this up. This right there.
You want to get
Put it all the way in. Okay. After, put these back. Or they just clip in. Like that. Same for the bottom one. This. And then the back one. Put a little grease on the feet only. Not on the brake.
Yeah, I know. Just on that little thing up there.
Yeah.
Oh, both?
Both,
sides?
yeah. Both sides. And then you slide it in the back. Like that. Do the same for the front side. And then once you're done with that, you go back, put this here. Don't forget to put these on. Little clips. It goes right here in the circle here, and there's one over this side. That one face down, this one face up. Like that. And then you put this back on. Just tighten this up.
It's not even a problem, it's definitely.
Tighten this up. Down. There you go. That's it. And then once we're done with both brakes, you press on the brake so it won't be loose.
Okay.
Come on.
Sheet of metal, basically.